Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to create mark sheet. We are having some names having their percentage and we want to calculate their grades by using if formula. So let us see how the structure and what exactly the syntax of if function for finding the grades of individuals. Here I have given equal to sign and then I have written if. Now in bracket, now I want to calculate grades on their percentage. So I have select C4. Now what exactly the C4 is? Is the percentage of Vijay. Now I have given greater than sign. If the percentage of Vijay, that is 34, is greater than or equals to 90, then I have given comma, then I have written merit. So such a kind of statement, such a kind of thing you have to write again and again. Now I have differentiate all these things by using semicolon. So again if statement, again C4, again there is greater than or equals to 75. If this will be condition is true, then distinction will be shown. Now again if C4 is greater than or equals to 60, so in comma, in double quotation there will be first. Now again I have used if statement. If C4 is greater than or equals to 45, by separating comma I have written in double quote second class, right? That is second. Now again I have given comma and if statement, that is if function I am using, C4 is less than 35. If someone will have less than 35 percentage, so that student will be fail. Okay, now see here I am trying to apply this formula to all the individuals up to Vishal, right? So Vijay having the result fail, Ananya having result merit. Now here I am trying to decide, see 36, for above 36 percentage to 45 I have not mentioned any if condition. For that also we should create if statements. That means the students those have percentage from 35 to 45. So we have to write again one if statement here. C4 we will write C4 is less than 45. Like that we will create a statement. Here C4 is greater than or equals to 45 we have written. So second class will be shown, but the students those have marks between 35 to 45, we have not mentioned any condition for them. So we have to manipulate this formula, we have to do some changes within this formula. Once it will be finished, our whole calculation will be correct. Now see here, C4 is greater than 35, he will be pass. Okay, because above 45 we have mentioned all the conditions, but after 35 to 45 we have not mentioned, but now we have mentioned the that condition also. C4 is greater than greater than 35 will be pass, right? Now one more thing we have to add, those having percentage less than 35, we have not mentioned any condition for them, so that's I am creating that again one if statement here, that is if C4 is less than 35, so he will be fail. Now see here is 36 will be pass. Now I am changing 46, 46 will be second. Again it will be second because it is below the 60 percentage. Now here 76, that means it will be in distinction. Again here I am changing Vivek 96, that is merit. Now I am changing Vishal, that is 59, to be second. So in such a way you can calculate the grades from the percentage of any individual. So formula is a little bit difficult, but once you will do the practice you will be perfect to find out the grades of individuals. So in this way, this is very important formula in Excel to find out the grades, to find out the result Sometimes it is used to compare the numbers. So this is very important.